Hey there, Tony here. I wanted to introduce myself quickly to make this a little more personal. I've been in marketing for about 15 years now, and a significant portion of that time has been dedicated to paid search and Google Ads. Confidently can say I'm a Google Ads veteran at this point. I've kind of seen it all. I actually help run a paid search team at an agency, kind of during the day, if you will. Even after I've helped clients all day, I will do some consulting. What I do when it comes to the consulting side of things is generally the audits, of course, and it's sort of like that getting you off the ground first 3 months, getting the groundwork set, setting you up for success. I'm not doing these audits so that I can scare you into, oh, you need to work with me long term so that we can manage your Google Ads. That's not what I'm here for, right? That's not what I want to do. I help clients do that during the day, during the 9 to 5, right? So that's not what this is about. So you're going to get honest, thorough audits with no ulterior motives. What I focus on is what's going well, what's not going well, how do we fix what's not going well, double down on what's going well and what you're doing right, and that's laid out clearly in the audit. And so you have an idea on what needs to be done. The audit will dig into different sections. Overall account settings, campaign settings, ad group settings, keyword, bidding. After doing this for so many years, day in and day out, I'm going to brag a little bit, but I know where to look. I know what needs to be reviewed. I know is what comes up often after so many audits, right? So, and even when these audits aren't in awful shape, which that happens as well. Like there are many times that I'll do an audit and I'm like, no, you're good. Like this is great. Keep doing it. Double down on it. But what I've heard quite often from clients who purchased an audit from me is that it was all about the peace of mind, right? Because even when they're doing the right thing, not everyone has time to be in Google Ads every day. Not everyone has time to stay on top of all the new changes that are happening, which is right now, which is weekly, honestly, at this point. So peace of mind has been something that has come up very often, from clients who have just told me like, hey, this is great. I really appreciate it. If you want to chat before potentially doing an audit, there's ways here to contact me. I'm more than happy to chat. I'm more than happy to answer some questions. And maybe that's what maybe that's all it is. Maybe you just have like, hey, I just have this one question. Like this, I would love to get your opinion on. 100%. Like it's all good. Like it's probably unhealthy, but I love this stuff. So like I said, I'm doing Google Ads every single day, Monday through Friday. I know it sounds cliche, but it is truly rewarding to just help people with this, because I know this isn't rocket science, but there's a lot of things in Google Ads that can be missed, and it's so easy to burn cash. And I would love to help put that to an end as much as I can. So